Google has a huge problem and I don't think it will ever be resolved, as yet again we do have massive leaks on the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. There is a new hands-on video showcasing the Pixel 8 Pro, and Google seems to have had an ace up their sleeves with a new feature that we've never really seen on any smartphone. In previous videos we talked about the rumored specs, but particularly I'm interested in this new feature that Google will be implementing. A dedicated infrared thermometer sensor is now placed under the LED flashlight at the back of the phone, and honestly it is very surprising, but who knows, it could really be a nifty feature to have on your phone. With previous leaks we did talk about it being a LiDAR sensor, but I guess we were wrong. In a video from Google themselves, it is shown how this feature would work. First off, you need to find your phone's wide sensor, move your phone closer to your forehead, and then move your phone to your temple in a clockwise or anti-clockwise motion. Apparently it takes the phone 5 seconds to get and process this information, and with a vibration it tells you your temperature on the display. Pretty neat, right? Of course it won't be on the regular Pixel 8 as the sensor is exclusive to the Pro variant. Well, with the cameras on the back, rumors suggest Google will use the 50 megapixel GN2 sensor from Samsung, which is 1 by 1.12 inches. This is very close to a 1-inch sensor, which is definitely a huge improvement from last year's Pixel 7 Pro main camera. Of course you're going to have a telephoto and an ultra-wide camera. The camera model now has all 3 cameras in the same pill, which is different from what we saw last year. Design-wise, the Pixel 8 Pro looks a lot like its predecessor. We do have a flat screen now, and the corners are a little bit rounded. With the 3rd generation tensor chipset running under the hood, it's safe to say the Pixel 8 series devices are turning out to be pretty amazing. This is Google, and we will continue to get a ton of leaks as time passes by. Drop a comment in the comment section. What are your thoughts on the infrared thermometer sensor? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back when I find something new.